Can rice water really grow your hair? You've probably seen people online claiming rice water is the secret to faster hair growth. But is it actually true? Or is it just another viral beauty trend? Here's the truth. Rice water isn't a magic solution that suddenly makes your hair grow faster. Right now, there's no strong scientific evidence proving it can speed up hair growth from the scalp. So why do so many people swear by it? Because rice water can help strengthen your hair, making it less likely to break. And when your hair breaks less, you keep more of your length over time. That can make it look like your hair is growing faster, even though it's really just staying healthier. Many people also notice their hair feels smoother, shinier, and easier to manage after using it consistently. While the research is still limited, rice water may improve the overall condition of your hair, which is why so many people continue to use it. So, is rice water a miracle hair growth treatment? Not exactly. But if your goal is stronger, healthier hair with less breakage, it could be worth trying. And if you want a step-by-step video on how to use rice water the right way for the best results, leave a comment below, and I'll make that video next.